morning students. In the previous class you have learnt how to compare two numbers. Do you remember in school you are asked to stand in a line for the assembly according to your heights? Like this, there are several situations where we arrange things or order things. Here I have some blue paper, colored blue paper flowers and some red paper flowers. Now let's arrange them and see. Now in these two situations we can see here that the blue flowers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest and the red flowers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest. So these arrangement of blue flowers from the smallest to the greatest is known as increasing order, or they are known as ascending order. That means these flowers are arranged in increasing order from the smallest to the greatest. And here, what about the red flowers? The red flowers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest. That means they are in the decreasing order, or it is known as descending order. So today let us learn how to write or arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now let's see to the given numbers and arrange them in ascending order. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means start from the smallest number and end with the greatest number. Now we have numbers 86,549, 5,642, 96,451, 83,752. Now before we arrange them in the ascending order, the first step that we have to follow, which we have already learnt in the previous class while comparing two numbers, that is, we have to find out how many digits each number has. Now in this number 86,549, it is a 5-digit number, and in this case it is a 4-digit number, and this number has 5 digits and this number also has 5 digits. Now the second step that we have to see here is, since it is an ascending order, we have to find out which number is having the less number of digits. Now here we have, this number is having 5, this is having 5, this is having 5, and this number has 4 digits. So the number which is having the less compared to the other numbers, that means this number is having 4 digits, so this number is the smallest among the others. So we write 5,642 first. Next we have 5-digit numbers, and here we have 3 numbers which are having 5 digits. So what is the next trick we have to follow? That is, if the numbers are having same digits, then we have to compare the first digit of each number. The first digit of this number is 8, the first digit of this number is 9 and the first digit of this number is 8. So which digit is smaller, 9 or 8? It is 8. But here we have two numbers which are having the first digit as 8. So what is the next trick? If the digits of the first digit of the number is same, then we have to see or compare the second digit. The second digit is 6 and the second digit here is 3. So which is smaller? 3 is smaller compared to 6. So which number will come first? So this number 83,752 we'll write first. It will come first, then 86,549. So we write here 83,752 and then we write 86,549. And which number is left? The next 5-digit number, that is the largest 5-digit number, that is 96,451 is the largest, which we write at the end. This is how we write the ascending order, starting from the smallest ending with the greatest. These numbers can be arranged in this manner also. That means 5,642 is smaller than 83,752 and 83,752 is smaller than 86,549 and 86,549 is smaller than 96,451. So these numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, and this arrangement of numbers from the smallest gradually proceeding to the greatest is known as ascending order. We have another set of numbers given here, and these numbers we are going to arrange them in increasing order or ascending order. That is 63,457, 54,263, 7,45,386, 8,56,421 and 65,943. So these are the numbers given and we are going to arrange them in ascending order. What is ascending order? To arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. So what is the first step? First we have to find out how many digits each number has. So let's find out. In this number 63,457, there are 5 digits, and in this number 54,263 has 5 digits. 7,45,386, there are 6 digits. 8,56,421 has 6 digits. 65,943 has 5 digits. Now ascending order means start from the smallest number. Now here we have 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. So which is the smallest? 5-digit number. Now in 5-digit numbers, there are 3 numbers having 5 digits. So what is the next trick we have to see to? When the digits are same, we have to compare the first digit of the numbers. That is, in this case, the first digit is 6, and in this number, the first digit is 5, and in this number, the first digit is 6. So, 6 is smaller or 5 is smaller? 5 is the smaller number compared to the 6. So, we write 54,263 as first number. Next we have 2 more 5-digit numbers. Now among these 2 5-digit numbers, we have already seen the first digit is 6. That means they are equal. So we compare the second digit of the numbers. That is, the second digit is 3 here and the second digit is 5 here. So what shall we do? We have to find out which is smaller. 3 is smaller or 5 is smaller? So the 3 is smaller. So we write 6, 3, 4, 5, 7 before 6, 5, 9, 4, 3. Next, so we have done with the 5-digit numbers. Now we proceed to the 6-digit numbers. Now here we have 2 6-digit numbers. So when the digits are same, what is the next step we have to do? We have to compare the first digit of the number. The first digit here is 7 and the first digit here is 8. So which is smaller? Smaller is 7. So we write this number before this number. So this is how we arrange the numbers in increasing order, starting from the smallest and then we end with the greatest number. Now these numbers can also be written as in this way. So these we can read as 54,263 is smaller than 63,457. 63,457 is smaller than 65,943. 65,943 is smaller than 7,45,386. 7,45,386 is smaller than 8,56,421. So these set of numbers are arranged from the smallest, gradually ending with the greatest, and this arrangement is known as ascending order. Now here we have another set of numbers, and let's arrange these numbers in decreasing order or descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. It is just the opposite of ascending order. So we are going to arrange these set of numbers from the greatest to the smallest. The same rules we have to follow. First we have to find out how many digits each number has. Now let's see. In the first number is 3,63,296, 57,32,108, 59,46,087, 3,43,219. So these are numbers given to us, and now we are going to arrange in descending order. So first we have to find out how many digits each number has. So this number has 6 digits. This number has 7. This number has 7. And this number has 6. Now, since we are going to write these numbers in descending order, first we have to find out which is the largest number. That means which is the big number. Now looking at the digits, we can see here that this number is having 6 digits, here 7, this is 7, and this is 6-digit number. So the largest digit is the number which has 7 digits. Now in this case we have two numbers which is having 7 digits. So what we shall do? We shall follow the next step, that is, if the digits are same, we have to compare the first digit of the numbers. Here the first digit of the 7-digit number is 5 and the first digit of the 7-digit number is 5. So both are same. So what shall we do? We shall compare the second digit. Second digit here is 7 and the second digit here is 9. So which is greater, 7 or 9? So 9 is greater. So we shall write this number first. That is 59,46,087. So this number comes first, and then we have this number, that is 57,32,108. So next we have the 6-digit number. Now let's compare the 6-digit numbers. Here we have two 6-digit numbers, and what is the rule we have to follow? That is, we have, when the digits are same, we have to see the first digit of the number. So first digit of the number here is 3 and here also is 3. So what shall we do? We have to compare the second digit. So the second digit here is 6 and the second digit here is 4. So which one is greater? 6 is greater. So this number will come before this number. So let's write 3,63,296, and then we have 3,43,290. So these numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, starting from the greatest number, ending with the smallest number. So these numbers can be written as is greater 59 lakh 46,087 is greater than 57 lakh 32,108. 57 lakh 32,108 is greater than 3 lakh 63,296. 3 lakh 63,296 is greater than 3 lakh 43,290. So these set of numbers are written in decreasing order, that means starting from the greatest and ending with the smallest, and this arrangement of numbers is known as decreasing order or descending order. Now we have another set of numbers to be arranged in decreasing order or descending order. Let's read the numbers first. 36,000, 34, 12 lakh 96,025, 12 lakh 48,035, 3 lakh 74,263. Now to arrange in decreasing order, we have to first find out how many digits are there in each number. Now in this first number has 5 digits, the next number has 7, and the next number has 7, and the next number has 6. Now decreasing order means start from the largest number, end with the smallest. Now 5 digit number is there, 7 digit number is there, 6 digit number is there. Which is the greatest? The greatest is the number which is having 7 digits. But in this case, here we have two numbers which is having 7 digits. So if the digits are same, what we shall do? We should compare the first digit of the number. Here it is 1 and here also it is 1. So they are same. What shall we do now? We shall compare the second digit of the number. Here it is 2, here also it is 2. So they are same. So next we have to compare the third digit of the numbers. Third digit here is 9 and here it is 4. Which is greatest? The greater one is 9 compared to 4. So we write this number first and then we write this number. So let's write the numbers. 12 lakh 96,025. So this is first. Next we have 12 lakh 48,035. So we have done with the 7 digit number. Which is the next greater number? We have 5 digit number, we have 6 digit number. Which is greater, 5 or 6? The 6 digit number is greater. So we write the 6 digit number, that is 3,74,263. And last we write the 5 digit number, that is 36,034. Now these numbers can also be written as that means 12 lakh 96,025 is greater than 12 lakh 48,035. 12 lakh 48,035 is greater than 3,74,263. 3,74,263 is greater than 36,034. So this arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest, that means starting from the greatest number, gradually going to this, ending with the smallest number, is known as descending order. I hope you have understood the concept of ascending and descending order. Thank you.